Happy birthday, Eli! Enjoy your special day. Ang prayer ko, sana maging malusog ka at maging mabait na bata at masunurin sa iyong mga magulang. Okay, happy birthday!
Hi, Eli. Teacher Cecil here. I would like to give you a happy birthday. Pagpagaling ka ay alala sa ako. See you soon. I love you.
Happy birthday, Eli. Sana kumaling ka na para nakapunta ka na hindi na mag-play tayo. Gusto na kita. Happy birthday.
Hi, Eli. Happy birthday. Stay strong ka dyan. Sana makalaro tayo soon, guys.
Hi, Eli! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and hope to see you soon. Nina, I'm so proud of you because you are a strong and brave kid. Just keep on praying, Eli. I love you, Eli. From Nina and Garsha. Take care.
Garsha.
What's your wish for you, Eli?
I wish you will feel good.
Hope to see you soon. And I hope we can play again.
I hope we can play again too.
Si Jojo naman. Jojo, what's your wish?
Happy birthday! 1, 2.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Kuya? Kuya? Eli! Happy birthday, Eli! Hope to see you soon. Get well soon. We'll visit you again, okay? Daddy!
Happy birthday, Kuya Eli. We miss you. Get well soon. I pray that God will make you and your mom strong for your big day. Bye.
Yan, let's bake tayo. Bake tayo ng favorite cake. Okay? Okay, bye! See you soon! Sabi ko, I love you, Kuya Eli. I miss you.
Hello, Eli! Happy birthday! I love you! Medyo ko, sayang. Kamusta ka na? I love you, ako.
Balita ko may magpa-birthday daw ngayong araw na to na parang pogi. Saan sa kaya? Naku, yun pala siya! Naku, happy birthday! Alonso, this is Lola Mira. Baby, be strong. We're waiting for you here in Singat. Okay? I love you and we love you. Happy birthday! Many more birthday to come. Bye-bye!
Hi, Eli. How are you? Miss na miss ka ng Elvira Farm. Hope to see you soon. We will swim and we want to greet you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Eli. Happy birthday, Eli. Enjoy your day. Magpagaling ka na para makapag-swimming na tayo sa patubig. I miss your vlogs na. Miss you, love you.
Hi, Eli. This is Tita Teacher. I just want to greet you happy birthday. So I hope maging maganda yung araw mo. And please, don't forget to always pray. Always keep safe and be strong. Mwah. I love you.
Hi, Liver Warrior Ellie. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Laban lang po. Andito lang naman ang mama mo, ng lola mo, ng daddy mo. At ako, magtiwala lang ang kapagad. Soon, magiging
Happy na rin ito. Ayan, the brave little liver warrior. Love you.
Happy birthday, Eli! We love you!
Happy birthday, Eli. Happy birthday, Eli. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Eli. Happy birthday, Eli. Cute.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Eli!
Yay!
Love you! Oh, blow. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Love you, Eli! Love you! Dahil dyan, kami naman. Upo ka lang dyan. Upo ka lang dyan. Bubuksan natin lahat ng ilaw. Upo ka lang dyan. Diyan ka lang. Ano yung remote?
Meron ba yung salad?
Wala. Kanta na tayo ng happy birthday.
Happy, ayun.
Magti-tiktok na tayo, Eli. Ang bago na natin yun. Ayan. 2, 1,
2, 1.
0.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Muna nakabukas no? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Extradition, lahat ng mga sumako. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Ano mo plug yata yan sa kamap?